Nighttime snacks, frozen chicken pops.
Since we've been fighting all day. Okay. Yeah. Piece of chicken. We'll get some crumbs all over. All the rules are Can you sit? Are you done with your tantrums for the day?
I think that was a no.